Want to edit videos like a pro without spending hours in front of a screen? Imagine having the power to create stunning videos with just a few clicks. AI is revolutionizing video editing, and I'm about to show you how. This technology is transforming the way we approach video creation. Welcome to AI Mastery Hub, your go-to source for mastering AI tools in creative projects. In this video, we'll explore the latest AI-powered tools that are changing the game for video editors. These tools are designed to make your editing process faster, easier, and more efficient. From software that speeds up your workflow, allowing you to focus on creativity rather than tedious tasks, to tools that handle color grading and visual effects with precision and ease, AI has got you covered. It's like having a professional assistant by your side, taking care of the technical details. First up, let's talk about AI-powered video editing software. These programs are designed to streamline your editing process. Tools like Luma and Wibbits are game changers. They offer intuitive interfaces and powerful features that make editing a breeze. They use machine learning algorithms to help you edit videos faster and more efficiently. These algorithms learn from your editing style and preferences, making each project smoother than the last. Imagine cutting down your editing time from hours to just minutes. This means more time for creativity and less time spent on repetitive tasks. 90% of YouTubers are already on board using these tools to streamline their process. They are able to produce high-quality content consistently and efficiently. Subtitled Luma AI-powered video editing. Luma is particularly known for its user-friendly interface and powerful editing capabilities. Next, we have AI-driven color grading tools like Color Lab and Lookmatic. These tools are designed to enhance the visual appeal of your videos. These tools use AI to help you achieve professional-level color grading in minutes. They analyze your footage and apply the best color adjustments automatically. Consistent color palettes are now at your fingertips. No more guessing or manual adjustments. Did you know that 62% of professional video editors use AI-driven color grading tools? This technology is becoming a standard in the industry. Subtitle, Color Lab AI-driven color grading. Color Lab is renowned for its accuracy and ease of use. Now let's dive into AI-assisted visual effects. These tools are perfect for adding that extra wow factor to your videos. Tools like F-Some and HitFilm are making it easier than ever to create stunning visual effects. They offer a range of features that can transform your footage. With AI, you can significantly reduce post-production time. This means you can deliver projects faster and take on more work. In fact, some video editors have cut their post-production time by up to 70%. This is a game changer for anyone looking to increase their productivity. Subtitle, F-Some AI-assisted visual effects. F-Some is known for its robust features and user-friendly design. And that's it for our tour of AI tools for video editing. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your videos better. With these tools, you can edit videos like a pro without spending hours in front of a screen. The efficiency and quality they offer are unparalleled. The global video editing software market is projected to reach $1.1 billion by 2027, and AI is a big part of that growth. This technology is not just a trend, it's the future. 87% of video editors are already using AI-powered tools to speed up their workflow. These tools are becoming essential in the industry, so why not join them? Embrace AI technology and take your video editing skills to the next level. Thanks for watching AI Mastery Hub. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on leveraging AI in your creative projects. See you next time.